Here we go, people, another one. Getting full all-wheel drive kit and drive shaft. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Chilling. What are your plans for the car? What power band you're going for? Like high horsepower, just mid-range?
Yeah, you're mid-range.
Mid-range. Then when you get used to it, just build it?
Yeah.
Okay, nice, man. Nice color, too.
She's capable of 800, but I just want 600.
Okay, so,
Just to play around.
Oh, nice, man. What are you doing? K series, B series?
B.
B series? All right.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, nice. All right, you guys stay tuned for this one. This paint job looks nice. Whew. Oh, we'll drive the world, baby. It's coming together nice, man. Man, I haven't seen one of those in a long. That's a big. That's a big ass one. Look at that. Look at that, Victor. Victor, you still making those? Don't make those no more.
Who?
Victor X. Is they still making them?
That's ALPHA, kid.
Oh, ALPHA. Yeah,
Yeah, of course.
yeah, Victor X. Victor X. That's a Victor X.
You missed this word, miss.
All right, guys.
Oh, you got that.
Nice little build. Should be a nice build. Day 2, guys. Let's rip it apart. Jet this thing up. Get it going. Man, that's a new chair?
Oh, yeah, man. We just got them in, bro.
What do you guys think? Yeah, you guys want some S1 chairs for your garage? Put your water right there. You know, your little beverage. Look at it, man.
I'm definitely bringing this to the show, man. 100%.
Definitely. You can bring this to the show. S1 built. Rep where you rep. Rep. Can't waste no time. Everything coming off. Low control arm coming off. That old brace. Diff mount's gonna go up there. Some of this stuff is rusted because it's coming from up north, but it doesn't matter. Nice. The business.
So as you can see, we have a northern car, and we will be dealing with
Some surface rust and some
surface rust. We're gonna have some issues there and issues here, but it's nothing we can't tackle.
Yeah. Plus we can just we don't. He's using a drag arm, so the drag arm starts
it's gonna
right
end
here.
right here.
Yeah, starts and whatever.
And start whatever.
Yeah, and start whatever.
What he said.
Up north car, you gotta be cutting some stuff off. We're gonna be using drag arms, so it won't need that front piece. We already cut it out, getting ready to brace it up. Oh, look at that rust. Whole arms, getting drag arms. Yeah, that mother's rusted.
Yeah. So this was an up north car from Pennsylvania, I believe. So as you can see, it looks like they've already repaired this before because it stripped out in the back. So they had to cut a hole to get to the nut that goes on the back side of this bolt. And the same thing here, it's seized up in there, it won't come out. So instead of opening up this can of worms here, he's actually using our drag arms.
Right.
So this is no longer going to be needed. We're still going to keep it intact, but basically what I'm doing is just cutting in segments here so that I can get this bolt out. I already cut the back side of it off, so the back side's clean, but it's seized inside this bushing. So basically you just got to go through and just cut this into pieces
to just
enough to where you can get it out, and then it's good to go from there.
Way to do it.
Yep.
All right, guys, check it out. So we're not even going to use right here. The drag arms bolt right there, where the toe kit is. Check it out. That's the way it bolts. So we don't need the front part. Right here.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube world, here we have it, another one. We have it all cut up,
Pinch it up.
all pinched out, ready for Jit tomorrow. Hopefully he'll be happy when he goes to weld it.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me high. You're gentle and wind the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Little tap tap.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Getting the upper bar ready to go in. Support for this. All arms are off. You kill each it.
OEM arms are off, and we got the ALPHA6 drag style.
ALPHA6 drag. Toy is right here. No need to go all the way. Wider tires. Diff mount is up. So is the diff. We're going to be checking out the top brace right after this.
So what we're doing here is the bar actually sat a little lower, so we're putting the spacer in there. And then the bar is going to sit exactly where we want
Exactly
it.
like up right there. So see guys, the diff front cover plate, it makes it easier to get to the bolts.
Yeah,
It's better to put it in than to bang it up, you know?
much easier.
Check it out guys. We also got our billet forks. You know, we took off the lower parts off the coilover, and we have a bunch of different sleeves, so make sure when you order your billet forks from us, you tell us what coilovers you have so we can send you the right sleeves, and it goes right in. More clearance for the CV axle in the rear. Try to keep everything straight, geometry straight. Drive shaft is up. Stage 2 because it's got a 30K 1310 joint. Billet carrier bearing and billet carrier bearing brackets. Looking really nice. Got 1310 up here also. Got a drag cartel in. Nice slip yoke. It's real beef. This is our station with drive shaft right here. And they come with carrier bearings, but if you want an option, you can ask for the billet stuff. Look at that. Axle's so clean. See that? Remember guys, I was showing you billet forks. Helps clear the axle. Everything's straight. Look. Straight. Good to go. Got them injectors in. Nice. Then Mike just dropped that tank in. Fuel lines all up. It comes around over the upper brace into the fifth there.
I want to build some crazy.
Oh,
what's up?
What's up? Everything's looking good.
Customer.
Stay tuned, guys. Customer's gonna pick it up. He's picking up today, right, Chad?
I believe so, yes.
So, yeah, this one's pretty much done, guys. All-wheel drive kit, axles, diff, drive shaft, and fuel, and that's it. He's gonna be picking it up, finish up his car. Looking real nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bentley's are always always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons.
Them wheels are always
Well,
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, S1 always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation, watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane, in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane, in the left one. S1 all wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. S1 all wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. We ain't even on the straights, yeah. Warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord. That's S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons.
Them wheels are always gripping.